Hi, I'm Sylvia Van Hess. I work for Corcentric. I'm the program accounting manager. Corcentric is a procurement and FP&A company. We basically help our customers pay, get paid, and we automate our AR and AP processes for our customers. I am actually a very big component of Vena. I helped implement it. I run the budgeting and forecasting out of Vena. I build the financial templates that we have, as well as any type of reporting with KPIs for all of our managers so they can look for information and help drive some of the choices that they're going to make. So when I first started, we were using Excel for our budgeting and forecasting, so it was very difficult to make a simple change seem easy. Building in Vena is a lot easier. So when I want to input cells that aren't data points within the system, maybe run a ratio or something, it's a lot easier to do that, and I don't have to worry about hitting refresh and then all of my changes going away. It takes less time to build the templates and make changes and make quick updates, and then being able to create copies of the templates to use for the next template, or even do the copy paste of the mapping, which is the newer feature that we are really enjoying, which means that I'm able to expand my field of work. So I also work with newer areas now, and then because we're providing managers with so much useful information now, they're coming back to us and asking for more and more and more. So it's exciting to be able to give them information that they never had before, and it also kind of gives me that nice pat on the back for doing something that we've never been able to do and kind of shine in that area.